Good day. In my one video on this fixometer unit that we're promoting and installing into cars to get the gauges to work together, I mentioned that you should not use these type of senders that you can buy, because they just don't give you a linear response. And I'll show in the end why. If we have the sender and it's in the full up, the float is now right up to the top, the meter shows full. But now you start using fuel, and I'm moving down, 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 down. And then suddenly it jumps to 3/4. There's no continuous movement between full and 3/4. Now you use more fuel. Going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. Let me just move this up, down, down. There's no movement, it stays at 3/4. And I've moved this float quite along the shaft, down, 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 down. Oops, okay, there's movement. Nothing happens. Going down, 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 down. And then there we've got some movement. Now it's in half. So it looks like between 3/4 and half there's another little trigger point, and it shows something between 3/4 and half. Now we move down, going towards the quarter. Moving down, nothing happens. Moving down, nothing happens. Moving down, nothing happens. Moving down, down. Suddenly, there's a trigger, and it goes right to quarter. And the same between quarter and empty. You'll move the float, nothing happens on the meter. You move the float, nothing happens on the meter. And then suddenly, bang, you're empty. So the car, you think you've got petrol, you're sitting on quarter. You're driving, but in the meantime, the float is down, going down, and nothing happens on the meter until it reaches another trigger point, and suddenly you're empty. I just want to show you why this happens. If we open up this tube, inside that tube, you have a little PC board with some resistors at the back side, and there are four little micro switches, and that float triggers that micro switch every time. So you don't have a linear response on these type of fuel senders and meters. Only when the float reaches a switch, it will then register on the gauge. So these type of senders don't work on our fixometer unit. As you can see, it's got no linear response, and it just doesn't work for us. We can't use that. Thank you very much.